The man walked angrily to his car and drove away. My classmate is studying quietly in the library. Susan can play the piano very well. My brother bravely jumped into the water to save the boy. After a long day at work, I tiredly went home and fell asleep. Mr. Smith busily walked past me without saying hello. My wife excitedly told me the good news. The little kitten hungrily ate all of its food. The stranger kindly offered me a cup of water. I lazily sat down on the sofa and turned on the TV. The children nervously walked through the dark room. Does he like to drive fast? We politely said thank you to the man. I carelessly forgot to put the milk back into the fridge. The sun slowly rose into the sky. Sarah happily quit her job and found a new one.